Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create our Ehrman Tapestry kit shade card. Today we're setting the stage for our next project by organising the palette for the Aubergine kit by Kaffe Fassett, a beautiful collection of rich, vibrant, muted tones. As we open up our big canvas, we'll find the shade card printed right alongside the design. This helps us identify every shade of our Scottish dyed wools before we start. We like to start by gently trimming the shade card away from the canvas. Removing that extra mesh gives us a clean, dedicated workspace to focus entirely on our colours.
The card is also a lovely companion for navigating the design as we stitch. While the paper chart is always our main guide, matching the card blocks directly to the canvas is a useful little tip for anyone just starting out. It's a simple visual double check that helps us feel more confident and keep our stitching journey stress-free.
To make things easy, our wool arrives in organised bundles. Some, like Bundle 1, are a single, vibrant colour. Others, like Bundle 5, hold a mix of shades. We simply check our colour key to find our numbers. You can find these inside your kit with specific instructions. We can see shades like this rich purple 1203 or the warm gold 1342. We'll start with Bundle 1, which contains just one colour, blue 1280. Since this is the only blue on the canvas, it's a real no-brainer to identify. We just cut off a short strand from the bundle to get started. A little tip for getting the wool through the shade card, we recommend using a needle threader. You can find both these threaders and these lovely scissors on our website if you want to add them to your toolkit. They are simple tools that make the whole process much easier and even more enjoyable. We simply use the threader to pull the blue wool through the matching block on our card and tie it off at the side. We'll do the exact same for Bundle 2, which is another single colour bundle. Next, we'll move on to Bundle 3. This bundle has 5 different colours, so we'll separate those first and cut our strands. They're all easy to recognise, and with our colour key as a guide, we can quickly find their spots on the card and tie them down. Now that we have the hang of it, we can move through the rest of our bundles. It's just as enjoyable as the stitching itself, if not more. Kaffe Fassett uses these vibrant, muted shades to create a masterclass in colour theory. Instead of using a single flat purple, we use a range of nuanced tones that give the vegetables a lifelike 3D weight. It's this sophistication of shade that turns a design into a piece of art. And there we have it. Our palette is organised and ready to go. We've laid the groundwork and now it's time to start stitching. Find this kit and the rest of Kaffe's Veggie series on our website and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.